Sewing right away with the easy-to-use Brother XM2701. It's perfect for beginners or for more advanced sewers looking for a great portable machine. The 27 built-in stitches include stitches for everyday sewing, blind hems, quilting, and decorative stitches. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. You also get 6 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded for you. With the quick set top drop-in bobbin, there's no need to pull the thread up before use. And it's easy to see when you're low on thread. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use XM2701 from Brother.
The open toe foot is perfect for applique and other sewing techniques that require an unobstructed view of the stitching area. You can also use this foot for decorative stitching and surface embellishment. The opening at the front of the foot provides greater visibility of the sewing area, and a tunnel on the underside allows dense stitches to feed smoothly. With a fabric marking tool, draw the stitching guideline for sewing on the right side of the project. Attach the open toe foot to the machine. After selecting the desired stitch, start sewing following the stitching guideline that has been marked onto the fabric. The open toe foot is also great for applying ribbons and trims. The thickness of the trim glides effortlessly through the tunnel under the foot.
you.